How to fix error_name_not_ resolved in Chrome. Here's some methods that may help you with the error_name_not_ resolved in your Google Chrome browser. Method 1, clear internal DNS cache. Method 2, DNS and reset TCP/IP. To do that, run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /release, IP protocol configuration /flushtens, IP protocol configuration /renew, IP protocol configuration /flushtens, endstat r netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. Method 3, using Google DNS. Method 4, System File Checker, SFC, and Check Disk, CHKDSK. To do that, run these commands as admin: sfc/scanno sfc/scanno/offbootdir equals c//offwindir equals c/Windows. Moreover, make sure that 1. Clear your browser's caches and cookies. 2. Connection is allowed to Chrome through Windows, Defender, Firewall and / or any other real-time antivirus software. 3. You have a proper internet connection.